Hey kids, it's story time. Today we're reading Firefighters' Busy Day by Maria Boston. Busy firefighters everywhere, moving about here and there. Washing, waxing, shining the truck, cleaning the gear, getting rid of the muck. All of a sudden, they get a call. House in flames, fire up the wall. An emergency, no time to wait. Hurry, firefighters, don't be late. The alarm is sounding. Buzz, buzz, buzz. The chief is running. Stomp, stomp, stomp. The fire truck is moving. Vroom, vroom, vroom. The engineer is driving. Whee! The siren is wailing. Woo! The horn is blaring. Honk, honk, honk. The firefighters are working. Turn, turn, turn. The people are praying. The children are hoping. The water is spraying. Whoosh! The axe is chopping. Whack, whack, whack. The hose is rolling. Roll, roll, roll. The family is cheering. Hooray! The fire truck is backing. Beep, beep, beep. Busy firefighters everywhere, moving about here and there. Washing, waxing, shining the truck, cleaning the gear, getting rid of the muck. Goodbye, firefighters. Thanks for joining us for story time. See you next time.